what is up? And today is another prank, guys. Yesterday I pranked my brother, but I got slapped so hard that I had to stop recording and then finish the vlog, got it, and it. So today is another day. Today I'm about to prank my brother again, guys. Today I'm gonna prank my brother again, like I did yesterday with the same water bottle, same thing. I was needing. If y'all didn't see the video, I'm just gonna share it to you right now. Yeah, just watch it right here. Yeah, guys. So he got pranked so bad. Now today I'm gonna annoy him with the same thing. I'm just gonna keep squeezing it to him. And if he's gonna get annoying, I'm gonna be like, I'm not even gonna go in the room and show him that I'm recording. I'm gonna be like, hey, what's up, bro? Hey, I think he's watching Fortnite or Dude Perfect, I don't know. But I'm just gonna set up the camera. I'm not gonna open my flashlight, anything. He's not even gonna know that I'm recording. That time he knew that I was recording because I showed him, hey, but what's up, bro? This time I'm not even gonna show him I'm recording, and then I'm gonna put my camera. I'm just gonna put my camera in my pocket or in my stomach or whatever. So let's get the prank begin. Shoot! Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. What you watching, dude? Dude Perfect? That's boring. Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Do not do the same thing again. Like I did yesterday. Yeah, guys, like I did yesterday. And today, this is not a prank. Hey, chill out! Chill the hell out, dude! Chill out! Fight, bro! Chill out, dude! Chill out! Fight, bro! Now fight! What up? He's dead. Why are you saying he's dead? What do you mean? Because I saw you guys pranking. I saw this guy pranking. Oh my god! Got him back, guys! He did that yesterday. But you flip. Epic fail flip. Using his flip. Epic fail. Go! Yeah, guys. So, I almost cried, though. I almost cried. Didn't have no idea. Close this shit. I almost cried. The way you slapped me, Paul. I fell and I almost cried like you slapped me yesterday. You put the camera, Dumbo. How? Well, yesterday you didn't do that. Yesterday you got pranked, right? Yeah, because. But I got slapped today too. But why you slapped me? You did it. Cause almost knocked out my camera. How did it start? It